Well, it's September 16th, 2023. We're at a car show. It's called Blast on the Grass. I'm going to give you a little bit of a teaser here. The rest of the videos, I've put a few on here that are 60-second ones. I'm going to show you a couple of the cars here. A nice looking Corvette, very powerful, and a really tricked out truck. But stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, because I have hours of videos of these nice looking cars. But here's a little teaser for you guys. Hope you enjoy this short little video. Gonna start it up now. He's got a.
I don't know. We'll find out.
Where's the? You got a rope on it to pull?
Yeah.
There's a crank under the seat.
Been working on it for 10 years, off and on, like I said. And now we're gonna hear it run.
Well, maybe.
Fuel pump's on. Now he's going to grab the pull rope.
Under pressure, buddy.
Just in case. Let's just see what happens.
Okay.
That sounds healthy. Jesus.
It's a fun one, buddy.
Oh, I bet it is a fun one. Next, he's going to take me for a ride. Did you say I could borrow that for the weekend?
Yeah.
Wow, guys. Hard to tell how loud that is on the camera, but guaranteed that was loud. You can just hear the power in that sucker. Man, that was nice of Ted to start that for us. Life's working now. Awesome.
Hey, buddy.
Hey. Awesome, Ted. That was awesome. All right, take a look at this Dodge right here. It does some trick things, and he's going to show us what it does. Look at them rotors. You guys see those? Wow. Different colors. Different colored lights in the grill. How big a lift is this?
Killed him at 10-12.
It's a 12?
I killed him.
Got a few airbags on it. Look at the links on that thing. Wow. Got the bars that come out when you open the door.
Yep. All right, take's ready. So.
And there she goes, look at that. That's for us shorter old people right there, so we can get in.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, that is nice. I like the lights. Oh, there she goes up. Now this is when he's wanting to drag his ass.
Right?
Oh yeah.
Got an air horn on it.
Here comes an air horn. You don't honk that very long, do you?
No, because they're announcing.
Them rotors, them look cool.
Yeah, by hooking up to the stereo system, I can have them flicker, bounce to the lights and music. So,
And your name is?
Josh Jones.
Josh Jones. And he built this all by himself in his one-car garage, didn't you say?
Yeah, no. No, this truck was built by Richlight Motorsports out of Independence, Missouri. It was a 2020 build for SEMA in Vegas. I'm the second owner of the vehicle. So it's made its tour around the East Coast. Now I'm working on getting its tour for the West Coast. So.
Oh, it's nice. And where are you from? Where you live?
Right here in Buell.
Oh, in Buell. What was your last, Jones?
Jones.
I grew, it's where I mainly came from. Wow. Them shocks, aren't them shocks like $1,000 a piece or something? They're ridiculous.
I know the whole wood suspension is about 20K.
20K just to lift this thing. Now this is what I'm going to do to my Dodge, guys. You just stay tuned. Not. Yeah. That driveline ain't stopped.
Nope.
That's the biggest driveline I've ever seen. That is nice, guys. And all powered by a 6-cylinder?
6.7 tons.
Yeah, 6-cylinder. That's all it is, just a little 6-cylinder.
Oh yeah.
Have you got, I'm guessing it's all cranked up, pumped up?
Not yet.
Yeah.
When they did the build, it was just all cosmetic, so the engine still has room
Car
to
number
play.
29.
Yeah.
It's still stock engine.
Yeah.
Power 15.
Yeah, that's awesome, guys.
Car number 29.
Thank you, Mr. Jones, for showing that to us.
Thank you very much. Well, I got the
Oh, yeah.
Starlight headliner kit inside.
Oh, because you want to be able to see them at their stars up there. That's the Milky Way over there, the Big Dipper down there somewhere.
Oh, you haven't seen that yet, have you? No, I haven't seen the Starlight yet.
Oh, my. Yeah.
Change colors, and once I get music,
I got ready to leave, then I said, I haven't seen the inside. Well, now I have. That is awesome.
eventually get speakers, outdoor speakers.
Ooh, this is a nice truck. Nice truck. What's she look like back here? Oh, yeah. I don't know. Man, I wish you guys could see that. Maybe you can. Yeah, I think you can see some of the green. It's got green speckles in it, looking like stars. That's a heck of a headliner right
I
there.
got the remote here. Let me.
Can you twinkle it? Oh, look. It's Christmas. Gold. Wow. That is awesome. Put your seat back, turn your lights on, fall asleep under the stars.
Yep.
As long as you're the passenger. You don't have to drive yet.
Let nature selection happen.
All right. Well, guys, I'm going to put this video on. The rest of them won't come on probably for a month because we're just in the middle of the Sturgis videos. I hope you're enjoying those. Now, I got hours of this kind of stuff. So I want you to let me know and if you want to see long videos, 10-minute videos, or whatever you want, 30 minutes at a time. Let me know what'll keep your attention, what you would like to see, and that's the way I'll put them on. But here's the teaser, and I'll start making the other videos right now, but they won't come out for a while. Awesome vehicles at this little car show down in Hagerman, Idaho. Blast on the grass.